When it comes to the U.S. Supreme Court, public opinion is becoming increasingly divided, with a noticeable partisan split. A new poll reveals that 43% of Americans, the highest rate Gallup has ever recorded, believe the highest court in the nation now leans too far to the right. According to the new Gallup governance poll, the 43% who think the Supreme Court is too conservative is 1 point higher than it's ever been. Another 36% of Americans feel the Supreme Court is about right, while 17% believe it's too liberal. Notably, this marks just the second time in Gallup survey history that a greater share of Americans have said the court is too right-leaning rather than being appropriately balanced. The first time that happened was in 2022 after the court overturned Roe v. Wade. The court's conservative tilt became more pronounced during President Donald Trump's first term, when he appointed 3 justices. That pivotal shift from 5 to 4 to 6 to 3 occurred in October 2020 when Justice Amy Coney Barrett was confirmed following the death of liberal Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg. According to Gallup, before Coney Barrett was on the court, no more than 33% of Americans ever said they believed it leaned too far to the right. From 2009 to 2017, Gallup polls showed that more Americans viewed the Supreme Court as too liberal rather than too conservative, with noticeable increases around the court's 2015 decisions legalizing same-sex marriage across the country and upholding the Affordable Care Act. But in 2017, that trend reversed as a larger portion of respondents began to see the court as leaning too far to the right. Public approval of how the Supreme Court is handling its job has declined over the past 2 decades. Only 42% currently approve, a significant drop from 62% in 2000, while 52% disapprove, according to Gallup. There's a clear divide along party lines. In 2025, 79% of Republicans expressed support for the court, compared to only 38% of independents and just 14% of Democrats.